Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class, subject physics, chapter motion, and today's topic acceleration. What is acceleration? Student, when we have to go a long trip, then the velocity of vehicle changes according to situation. Sometimes we have to go with large speed. It means we have to increase the speed of vehicle. Sometimes we have to decrease the speed or velocity of car, so we have to go with slow speed. So this change in velocity per second is known as acceleration. It means acceleration, change in velocity of a car or a vehicle. This change in velocity of a car, or you can say the rate of change of velocity of car or of a body with respect to time is known as acceleration. It means acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time. This is the formula for acceleration. Change in velocity. If a body is moving with initial velocity u, initial velocity is u, and the velocity after time t, you can say it is final velocity. After time t, so this is v. Then change in velocity, after time t is v minus u. So according to this relation, acceleration, the symbol of acceleration is a, small a. So it means a equal to v minus u upon t. A equal to v minus u upon t. So this is the formula for acceleration. Now we have to discuss what is the unit of acceleration. Unit of acceleration As you know, the formula is A equal to V minus U upon T. This is change in velocity. So this change in velocity you can write as del V. This del is a symbol to represent change. Okay, and this is time interval. So this time interval is also known as del t. It means the unit of acceleration is depend upon the unit of velocity and the time. The unit of velocity, as you know, meter per second, and the unit for time is second. It means SI unit of acceleration is meter upon second square. Okay, and the acceleration, to represent acceleration there is a need both magnitude as well as direction. So the acceleration is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. So you have to know it is the vector quantity, and the unit of acceleration is meter upon second square. Now, if we have to discuss about the type of acceleration, acceleration are two types: uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Types of acceleration. First is uniform. What is uniform acceleration? If there is equal rate in change in velocity, when the equal rate in change in velocity with equal interval of time, then this type of acceleration is known as uniform acceleration. Equal rate, or you can say equal change in velocity in equal interval of time. We can represent this by a graph. Let us discuss with velocity time graph. Let this x-axis represent time and this y-axis represent velocity. This is this interval represent time. Unit you can take according to yourself. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time. That time is second and velocity in meter per second. Let the velocity this 5, 10, 15, 20, and this is 25. Let in 1 second the velocity of car changes with 5. Meter per second. After 1 second, the speed or velocity of car becomes 10 meter per second. It means this is after 1 second, this becomes 50. For 4 seconds, the velocity of car or body becomes 20, and after 5 seconds the velocity becomes 25. So as you can see, this is a straight line. You can note the slope of velocity time graph represent acceleration. It means this is the acceleration. So this is a straight line in uniform acceleration. There is equal change in velocity. In first second, the change in velocity is 5 meter per second. In the next 1 second, the change is also 5 meter per second. In the next second, the change is also 5 meter per second. It means if you wanted to find the acceleration for any interval, we are discussing the change in velocity in this interval. So acceleration equal to the final velocity is 15 at 3 seconds and the initial velocity 10 in 2 seconds. So it means according to formula del V upon del T. Del V represents change in velocity. It means V minus U. Final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. And this time 3, or you can say T2 minus T1. So V is 15, U is 10 for this interval. We are discussing only this interval and time for this interval. Three minus 2 equal to 5. It means 5 meter upon second square. It means the acceleration is 5 meter upon second square. If you want to discuss with this interval, then the value of acceleration is given as in this case the final velocity 25, initial 20 and time 5 minus 4, it means 5. So acceleration is again 5 meter upon second square. So I hope you understood. In uniform acceleration there is equal change in velocity with equal interval of time. So this type of acceleration is known as uniform acceleration. Okay, I hope you understood this. Next I will explain about non-uniform acceleration in my next video. So for non-uniform acceleration you have to see my next video. Thank you very much.